and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show how to make scrunchies without a sewing machine, and let's get started. The first thing you will need to make a scrunchie is fabric. I've taken a 42 cm by 12 cm fabric. Then you will need a hair tie, then a needle and a thread, and a scissor. You can use the thread and the hair tie according to the fabric's color. For me, here I've taken black one because I think they go the best with this fabric. So let's start the video. So the first step is putting the thread through the needle, and here I have taken approximately 150 centimeters of the thread, and after putting it through the needle it becomes approximately 75 centimeters. Now I am going to take the fabric. This is the front side up, and I'm going to take the hair tie and put it at the corner of the fabric, and I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to sew along this line. So let's start. Take it like this, and it should look like this. I'm just going to keep sewing this. At the end, I'm just going to tie a knot like this. Now just cut the excess with the scissor. Now we are almost done with the step. We just have 2 more steps to go. We're almost done with making our scrunchie. Now the next step is to fold back the fabric, because this was the back side of the fabric and the side in the inside is the front side. So you can use a pen to do it as well, which is I'm going to do it with my hand. Just do it like this. And see the front side now. Put all the fabric inside. It's like we've made a pocket. So this is the front side, and I'm going to sew the ends of the fabric by just putting one side inside the other and stitching it along with the hair tie. First I'm going to fold the fabric like this, just a bit, then just put one fabric inside the other and sew them together. Also, the side that we have stitched should appear on the bottom part. And while stitching the fabric together, make sure that you stitch it with the hair tie too. Now I'm just going to take the thread and tie it in a knot. Now I'm just going to tie a knot over here to secure it. Okay, now you're done, and just cut it. And we are done with making our scrunchie. How the final scrunchie looks like. It looks just like a store-bought scrunchie. It's super easy to make. You can make it within 15 minutes and yeah, it's amazing. I've made some scrunchies, so these are the scrunchies which I've made. I also made one for my sister, and yeah, I made these two from spare blouse pieces. They are vibrant, I know, I love them. Then this one is my favorite. I made it from my mother's old dress, and it's so vibrant. So yeah, that it is for today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to hitting 100 subscribers. Please subscribe. Also, if you make some scrunchies, don't forget to tag me into the photos or stories. My Instagram username will be in the description. Follow me on Pinterest, and yeah, bye.